Bakit ba?
We are about to take off. Straighten up your seats. Fasten seatbelts securely. Keep window shades open and tray tables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
Due to the potential risk of fire associated with lithium-ion batteries and damage to your portable electronic devices, we request that you remove all charging cables from the in-seat power outlets during taxi, takeoff, and landing. In addition, please do not charge any electronic devices, including powered banks, during this time. Thank you.
Kaya yan, besh. Besh, hawak. Saan na mo? Kasi mama niya. Nasunod ka dito, baby. Ha? Hindi mo tsura. Suya, di na. Grabe si Besh, ha? Nakakapit na.